Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Chase Bank to the Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and track your finances with the Rocket Money app, but your finances are on the Chase Bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you're going to log on to the Rocket Money app. Next, you're going to click on the upper left-hand corner, the gear icon. And then from here, you're going to click on linked accounts. So we have some blurred information here because I've already connected my Chase Bank. But the next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to click on add institution and then click on Chase Bank. Now keep in mind that once you click on Chase Bank, you are going to be redirected to this app called Plaid. So Plaid is a safe and easy way that actually connects different banks together. And so it's going to connect in seconds, and it's also going to keep your data safe. So just simply click on continue and then follow the on-screen prompts. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Chase Bank to Rocket Money app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.